Is there any brand of hair that you would recommend for braiding or crocheting my hair? Actually, I can't because I'm not an expert in that. But what I can tell you is I'll tell you how I find out and I get my information. I look on YouTube and I contact amazing braid stylists and I say, which hair should I use? Then they tell me. This part I can tell you though. No matter what hair you use, soak it. Give yourself an opportunity to soak off the coating that's put on the hair to make it anti-microbial. That means so that it can sit in a warehouse and travel long distances and be in stores for a long period of time. But when it goes on your head, you don't need all of that. What you need is for it to not have chemicals on it. So soak it in vinegar and you'll notice the coating comes to the surface. Pour that off, soak it again, rinse it, let it dry, and then use it on your head. You'll have a lot less chance of irritation and it'll certainly be better for your body.